Solar charger for camping or anywhere in the world. I purchased a Soldius One solar charge last year to charge my granddaughter's iPod and cell phone while we were camping in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. It comes with 7 plastic adapters for charging 250 different devices including power-hungry iPods, Zen Micro MP3 players, BlackBerrys, and mobile phones from Nokia, Siemens, Sony Ericsson, Samsung, and Motorola. The solar charger worked just like the manufacturer said it would, and charged my granddaughter's iPod in less than 3 hours. Where we go camping there are more moose than cell phone towers, so keeping the phone charged wasn't a problem. This is a fantastic charger, but with a 1.1 watt/6 volt rating you're limited to the number of devices it can charge during the course of a day. This fact was borne out when my wife and I recently took my granddaughter and 2 of her friends camping. The campsite looked like a satellite store for Radio Shack. Try as it might, the Soldius One was no match for all the electronic gizmos these teens brought along. We definitely needed more power. The Brunton Solaris 25 solar charger with 25 watts/15.4 volts worth of charging power gave us exactly what we needed. Its high-output solar panels charge everything from cell phones to car batteries. Best of all, it charges iPods and cell phones in half the time it took for the Soldius One. When you consider the wide range of larger electric devices it can power, the durability, they use these on the polar ice cap, and the speed with which it charges, the Brunton Solaris 25 is a real value. One more thing, you can connect up to 3 units for triple the power. Whether you're using a solar charger for camping or charging the batteries on your yacht, it's hard to beat cheap and clean solar power.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.